Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, Hazrat Abu Talha's son was ill. When Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu went out, that baby expired. When Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu came back, he asked, "How is my son?" Hazrat Sulaim said, "He is feeling more relieved than before." Then Hazrat Sulaim served him supper. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu consumed the meal and practiced quietus with Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha. When he got free, Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha said, "Go and lay him to rest." In the morning, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam and apprised him of it. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam asked, "Did you practice quietus last night?" He submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless both of them." Then she gave birth to a son. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said to me, "Go and take him to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu took him to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. And Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha also sent some dates. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam took the baby and inquired, "Is there anything else along with him?" The people submitted, "Yes, there are some dates." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam masticated it and then put it in his mouth. And thus he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam rubbed his palate with it and named him Abdullah. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5578.